Wala ng gas. Ubos na. Nabusan kami ng gas, mga kaibigan. Kailangan nang magsagwan.
Nasa kalagitnaan pa naman kami.
Kailangan magsagwan. Yeah.
Malalim na.
Malalim yan ha.
Maraming seaweeds. Lalaki ng mga ano. Pero yung pag-isahan talaga.
Gigi. Joel. Ah, nagpo-pogi si Jara na. Ah. Hey. Oh! 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 Bilis na. Bilis. Jajaran. Bilis.
Patay na bigwit. Ikaw? Marami pang ibento meron.
Ba't konti nang nilagay mo, man? Oh, ito na. Oh, yung dami pa rito. Oh, anak. Fresh from the sea. Ah. Why? Ay, kaibigan, inihaw. Yawid daw, hindi pala pangulam. Hindi pala pangulam tong mga ano. Oh. Taxis plenty. Ang alin? Meron pa ba? Oh, may ano pa? May turon pa. Ano to? Spring roll. All set up. Oh, that was big. That was big.
Maitap pisaw ka to, Dad. Okay na ba? Hindi pa.
Tostado.
So I think it's going the center.
It should be.
I think. We're gonna find out right now.
Yeah, that one is big. Wala. Slice ko kano ag kukuk.
Wow.
Kasi naman lado. Totoo ba yan?
Tostado. Ito ba? Basta na to?
Tostado.
Hindi pa eh.
Isda, hindi pa. For barbecue pork. Pork chop.
Ito, kailangan balik na to.
Eh di, may tapon pag binaliktad mo.
Okay na yan ito. Parang ano na.
Okay na yan.
Okay na ito. Ito.
Hindi ka mag... Paminta ni Elena.
Humunggos.
Saan ang humunggos? Saan? Humunggos.
Ayan. Okay na ta. Yay!
Nakahuli siya sila.
May huli dyan, may huli? Ha? May huli kayo?
Maraming dami. Malaki.
Hey! Bakit mainit pa? Uy! Mataw ng barko, dumating buk. Oh. Hindi kita eh. Okay. Good evening, Mr. Alonso. Hello. Late night, what time? It's 9:45.
9:45.
9:45. Ben still eating.
Time fly when you're having fun.
Yeah, that's right. Eh? There's no time eating here at the cottage county. You're gonna eat anytime you want. That's it.
Cottage life.
Yeah, that's cottage life.
College country in Canada.
Yep. Oh. Marshmallow. No more? Huh?
It's okay. I got night.
I'm so happy with this shirt. This shirt is so comfy. I'm getting Costco last year. The umbrella with these two shirts last year. Pulag pa. Alak na mga pang good morning. Good morning, Backhorn.
Yung pamangkin mo.
Oh, yan pala pre. Dire.
May nakuha si Auntie Lily.
Ito. Tas. Wow. Nice one. Big one.
Masikil.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Ah, kinilis.
Hawakan mo na mabigat.
Laki ng sikil.
Ibigay mo kay ano.
Yeah.
Ibigay mo. Kasi yung nakuha. Sarap yung sabi nung dalawang bata eh.
Siyempre pang ano, parang Pilipinas pa. Siyempre.
May hito sa... Meron ka siyempre. Gusto mo yung konti ka?
Alisin ko na yung ano. Ito, gunting po dyan ito. Para... Bah. Look at that beauty. The calmness. The city. Hi, Mom. Mom is there at the back. Hey, cheese. Say butter. Say butter. Oh, yan oh. Oh. Wala namang ulang ngayon eh. Ganito lang siya. Amin ano. Ayan. Ano, saan ang huli? Yung nakawalan mo? Abos, hindi nakawala yata eh. Zero. Talaga ma'am. Kamuwalan ng pag-asa.
Dati,
Oops.
nagbato ako.
Oops.
Nakuha, double.
Oops, dito na ako magpipishing. Oh. Ano. Sigurado na yan.
Wala ka pagbatuha, ewan ko na.
Oops, ang daming isda rito sa gilid lang. Oh. Oops. Kumakagat ha. Ayaw.
Bas. First ulit.
Ayaw kagatin ha.
Yung crayfish.
No, it's gone. It's gone.
No, wait. No, wait. Distract it into the neck. I don't know where it is, though. Where is it?
It's in the rough now. It's under the rough now.
No more, you can't get it anymore. Get it.
Oh, wait, does EJ have this net? Oh, EJ has the net.
EJ?
Oh, it's right there. Yo, that thing's massive.
It's so small.
someone hold the stick.
Grab it.
Yeah, let me hold it.
Someone hold the stick, please.
Crayfish.
Don't go in there, bro.
No more. It's hiding now. Okay.
Dalian na to.
Lift up your shorts
Hey, yo!
higher because you're getting wet.
Looking,
DJ, bro, why you
catching
not
for a
running?
crayfish.
DJ, run.
But
Ah!
I think that's too big for